How to get Verizon free trial. Verizon offers a free trial program typically through its Test Drive initiative, allowing you to experience Verizon's network for a limited period without commitment. Here's how to activate the free trial. Overview. The Verizon free trial provides unlimited talk, text, and data for 30 days. Access to Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband, 5G nationwide, and 4G LTE networks. No commitment or credit card required. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Ensure your device is compatible with Verizon's eSIM technology. Supported devices include many iPhones, iPhone XS or newer, and some Android devices. Visit the Verizon free trial page at www.verizon.com/testdrive to verify device eligibility. Step 2. Download the My Verizon app. Download the My Verizon app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Install and open the app on your compatible device. Step 3. Sign up for the free trial. Open the My Verizon app and select the free trial option. Follow the prompts to set up your trial by entering your name, email address, zip code. Step 4. Activate the eSIM. The app will guide you through installing an eSIM profile to activate the free trial on your device. Your existing service with another carrier will remain active during the trial. Step 5. Test Verizon's network. Use the 30-day trial to evaluate network coverage in your area, data speeds on 5G and 4G LTE, call and text reliability. Step 6. Decide after the trial ends. If you're satisfied with the service, sign up for a Verizon plan directly through the My Verizon app or by visiting a Verizon store. If you're not interested, the trial will automatically expire without any charges. By following these steps, you can experience Verizon's network for free and decide if it's the right carrier for your needs.